So how do you slow down motion on the iPad? So let me talk about some possible things which you might mean or have in mind. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you mean like the motion of your iPad's screen generally, then you can manage that in your settings by heading over to the accessibility and finding the motion. So you can, for example, see that the reduce motion is right there. So that is like a slowing down of the motion generally, and it's going to make the animations look much different of your iPad, right? So even if you just come back to the home screen or open a different apps or do some gestures, it's going to look differently because you reduced the motion. And of course, you have some other things in here as well, like limiting the frame rate. Like you can, if you have the Pro Motion iPad, then you can literally dial down the refresh rate. So if that's the thing you would want to do, you can find it right here. But on the other hand, if you mean the slow motion footage or the regular videos in your camera and in your photos library, and if you want to like slow down the motion for those, well, if the video has been captured through the slow motion mode of your camera, then you can perform some changes to it inside of the gallery right away. So you would be able to play around with the speed right here. But if not, you can use a third-party video editor. Like I keep mentioning in my tutorials, that CapCut is a great choice, but it really is because you can import the clip into the timeline and play around with the speed as much as you want, right? So you can slow down any clip or speed it up, do whatever you like, and you're gonna likely end up with the shot that you wanted. So these are the two angles which I wanted to cover in this video. Let me know what you think below. If there is still something which you didn't get fixed, let me know about it in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.